Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I am here with some fun things from Fansells, my fantastic Fansells finds. Woo, right? Okay, let's get into it. We got a few things to show you here. We have a toolkit hanging out there. Yeah, there's a toolkit. That's what they look like. Okay, so from a different source, I had received an owl and love it. So I had to get another owl. This one's in different colors. The first one I got was very blue. This one has a lot of reds in it. He's got a package too. Very Christmas feel for this one. Super, super cute, these owls. Look at all the gems. Look at all these big gems here and on the package. And look at this like headdress, crowny thing. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so pretty. And they're all holding like a gem in their talons there. Pretty cool. 11 different drills for this. 30 by 30. I think this one's so pretty. I can hardly wait to see what all the colors are. Make sure we got the right package. Yes, 360. See, 360. This is the package I need. We're having one of those weird days. You know, everybody's having storms today across the country, and we were supposed to get a bunch of snow, but we're not getting snow. But now it's snowing, and who knows? Anyhow, all right, we have some brown rhinestones, some clear, some red, some green, some very light blue, some pink rhinestones. And that's it for the rhinestones. Here come the specials. Blue faceted ovals. Those are ovals. Round, clear reds. Faceted red marquee. And these are upside down. Oh, the big round red ones. Love it. And look at those green marquees. So pretty. Like I said, it's very red and green, this one is. And I thought it was a gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. Next. What's up next? What's up next? All right. Look at him. Look at him. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. We got the little snowman here with his dear friend, and they got their pile of packages here. I think this is just the most sweet, cute little painting. You know me. I love snowmen. I love this. Super cute. This one has, well, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different drills. They didn't have the numbers all the way at the bottom. 4 of them are special. Let's show you what they look like. I love the hats. That's my favorite part. A deer in a stocking hat. Stocking cap? Stocking hat. What do you call it? And then the snowman has a beanie. That's a beanie. I know that one. All right, here's our colors. What do we get? Again, we have clear and red. This is some regular black. Green, oh yeah, on their scarves and their hats. Brown. That's it for the rhinestones. 5 rhinestones. Okay. Then here again, the red, smooth, pearly, no, not pearl, red, clear, white pearls. Iridescent clear marquees, and my little snowflakes. Those are small little snowflakes, but they're very pretty. I love this one. Love this one. Love it, love it, love it. Add it to the smashing with the specials pile. All right. You know there had to be one. This is a whole new group of gnomes out there, you guys, and they're very, very fancy gnomes with very pretty robes and fancy hats. Yeah, they're my fancy gnomes, and there's several of them. I got one. You know, I've been telling you, I'm holding it to 1 in each of these new categories I find. But he's going to be something, isn't he? I love the pinks. He's got flowers. He's got 10 drills, different drills. He's got some larger ones down here on the like trim of the coat. Some in the flowers, some in the flowers on his hat. He should be super cute. Let's look at the 10 different colors we have. I told you, fantastic Fansells finds. You guys. These were all like a category. This is a category. There were several of those. The owls, there were several of those. And even the snowman and the deer, there were several like in that category as well. Here's our rhinestones. Lime green, brown, pink. Oh, yay, the iridescent. I love those. These are so pretty. I've already done one snowman with these on them, and they're so pretty. So, so pretty. Pink, peach. Okay, then we have some gold. Oh, he gets gold. Of course, he's royal. I told you, fancy. Some little pink snowflakey. Those are pretty. Green marquise. Oh, look at those. Those are super pretty. Pink marquise and that clear. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. So, again, he comes from a family of gnomes that are similar to him with the royal velvet and all that stuff. All right. Let's show you this next. What's in here? What is in here? You know, things that come in boxes are cool. Love stuff in boxes. How do I open it? Come on. Okay, come on. Open, 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 open. Here we go. Got it. Got it. I think I know what this is. I think I know. Yep, I'm right. There it is. Okay, there's that. And the only thing in there is the toolkit. Okay, so here's our drills. Here's our little base. Now this has a film on both sides, a thin film. Take that off there. And it's really clear and shiny there. And this has a film on the back as well. Take that off there when you're done too. Got dust too. Okay, ready? Wow. Isn't she cute? She's so cute. She's like a little hippie gnome. She's a hippie gnome. I'm doing this. I'm doing this right away. Uh-huh. Going right in my pile of Smashing the Specials. Cute. Look at the rainbow. Flowers. She's adorable. I mean, how cute is that? Then it goes in your little stand at the end. After you take off all these films and everything, they'll fit in there. But, you know, how cute. Look at that nose. No drills on the nose. That almost looks like a belly button. But isn't it cute? It's so stinking cute. Wait till you see it finished. Wait until you see it finished. It's adorable. So, let's show you the drills. There's quite a few. I mean, we got some rainbow stuff going on there. We're going to need a lot of drills, right? Okay. We have clear rhinestones, like a gold, a purple, a blue, a green, a pink. Oh, that's a purple, a pink, a blue, kind of aqua, another blue. I have never in my life had these. Those are so cool. They are like the clear little teardrops in a gold color. I've never had those. Those are super cool. I like those. Where are those puppies going? On the flower. Oh, I can hardly wait to do this. It's my next project. Okay. Red marquise, little gold balls, green faceted rounds, some gold marquise. Oh, we got a little bit of sliver action. Oh, where's the slivers? I didn't see slivers. Oh, flower, 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 flower power. I think that's it. I can handle that. I've started using a wax pencil for these, and they work really well to do those little slivers. I'm happy. Game changer. I'm happy. Okay, this is next. You're next, my friend. Yes. Okay, set over here. Last one. It's a big one. I did one of these already for Smashing the Specials. These take a lot of time. Let me just tell you, they take a lot of time. There's a lot to drill on these. They're a 40 by 50, so, you know, actual canvas part is 35 by 45. Now, you might think there's not a lot to drill because, I mean, we don't drill any of this white on the snowman or this black background. But look at all these. Look at all of this. All them swirls and all that stuff. There's not that many colors on this one. 8. All right. So like all of the flowers are one color. They're number 3. I'm assuming it's going to be like a gold color. And then all of this other part, the leaves and the swirls are all number 4. The hat is going to be black, I'm going to assume. Okay, let's just look at them. Look at that fat bag of drills for this, you guys. It took me a couple of days to do this. Seriously. I think it took 3, honestly. But so pretty. So, so pretty. Okay, here, yeah, there's a bunch of stuff in here. This is chunky. Chunky, chunky. Okay, we got a little bit of clear somewhere. I'm not sure where, but somewhere. This is our black. For the hat, I think it's basically the hat. It's going to be the eyes and the mouth, of course. And then look. Okay, 2 bags of the gold. 2 for all the flowers, right? And then, oh my gosh, 2 bags of, it's like a gray. How pretty. Okay, that's the colors, gold and gray. And then we have more gold accents. We have these gold balls. Look at those. Those are big mamba jambas, aren't they? Some gold teardrops, big ones. Where did they go? Oh, and this flower right here. That's where those are going to go. Then we have smaller ones. And those are going to go in the other flowers. Oh, and those are so pretty too. Centers of the small flowers or what? Or here. They go in here, here, and here, and here. Isn't this, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? When I saw this gold snowman, I was like, that is so pretty. Oh, that'll keep you busy for a while. Trust me, it will keep you busy for quite a while. So we got the one big, huge snowman. We got our cute little fancy gnome. We got another snowman. Oh my gosh. And we got the owl. How pretty are all of these? And then, who's coming up first? I'm coming up. This one here. It is next on my list. I'm gonna do it this afternoon. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. I told you, fantastic. Fansells finds. I will link all of them below. I know there's some you're going to want here. I know there are. And if you don't like this little fancy gnome, he's got like 3 brothers. You might like one of the brothers better. The owl comes with a whole bunch of owls. You might find one there you like better. I don't know, but I'll link them below. Anyhow, I'm having too much fun here. I got to let you go. I got to put this away. I got to finish the painting I'm working on so I can work on her. You got it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit that like button, subscribe, come back. It gets goofy around here sometimes. When I record a lot, I get goofy. It gets funny. I know. All right. I hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody. Bye.